Okay, today we've got the new SIG, or the Axil GS 2.0. These are the Ghost Strike Extreme Bluetooth headphones for shooting. They rate them at 29 decibels. There's a couple different ear tips in there. Let's see how the packaging is. So, comes in this box. Tells you all that you need to know. It's going to tell you the foam tips, silicone tips. It's patented form to fit all ears. That's nice. 5.0 connectivity, so good luck if you got an older phone. Protection and enhancement. So, wear them at the gym, wear them shooting. I think that's their game plan here. Anyways, they come in this kind of soft but firm, actually it's a little harder than you'd think, but it's padded on the outside. Comes with these bags, so we're going to have an accessory bag and quick start, and then it looks like these are going to be the actual headphones here. We rip them out. Alright, so extreme. Alright, so those are pretty cool. You're gonna have to try them in the ear and see how they feel, but supposedly from the pictures they look pretty comfortable. So wrap these. Alright, so they got a little cinch. This comes up behind your head. You cinch this up. They got the buttons here. A charging port, so this must be left side, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right side will have charging port, which it's kind of ghetto. They do a micro USB, not USB-C like the rest of the world. They should get on that. But we got Bluetooth button, it looks like, probably answer and call, volume up, volume down. The other side, which is kind of good because it's symmetrical instead of only having it on one side, on and off switch, volume up and down again. So one is going to control your volume, like your ambient sound that's being produced on these, and the other is probably your Bluetooth, like your music volume and stuff. They look pretty cool. These are these are flexible. Oh, see, I thought they were fit. So now this thing will wrap any which way to get in your ear. So those of you with weird ears, you can fit them there. Quick start guide. Read our instructions. Super basic, I'm sure. Alright, instructions, because it says, read me before use. Alright. Push a button, long press, lanyard cinch. Alright, here's the button explanation. On off hearing enhancement volume. And then you've got your Bluetooth volume on the other side. So, pretty dope. Comes with a charging cord. Here's the tips. So they got a lighter silicone one. So you're shooting trap or whatever, I guess you're going to be able to do the lighter ones. Shooting rifle, do the short foam or shooter's foam. Ooh, fancy. And looks like the other side is tweet about it or whatever the hell you do. Alright, so those are our quick start guide. Pretty self-explanatory on connecting a Bluetooth device. Last thing that we pulled apart is the accessory kit. Little nubbies. Charging cord. So no bricks, so everybody's got a billion bricks laying around. I wonder if they could do a quick charge, like if I hook it up to the old Samsung quick charge. I wonder if that ruins the battery. Alright, so that's our accessories. In this little bag, looks like we got the lighter silicone tips. windscreen. Oh, this is like a little alligator clip that goes around it, so you can clip them to your shirt when not in use. This is the little short foam, like a little, look like a little olive actually. And then the shooter's foam is a little cylinder, so I can probably squish it down, stick it in the ear. It springs back pretty quick. Ease of putting these on. Let's grab one of the ear cup. It's like either side is gonna work. Probably this side, because that looks more like the one you don't want to put in your ear, because it's not got a coating on it. Slide that guy on. Looks like we got a pretty good fit there. And then you can feel they're set for the ear, so this goes in the left, and then I believe this is the orientation you do so that it kind of comes up, and then you can curve this around the top of your ear. This comes around behind your head and cinch them up. So next we're going to go connect them to the phone, try them out. But pretty cool, nice price. I think these were just a little over $100, maybe $130 or so. Pretty sweet deal for something that claims to have a long Bluetooth life and almost 30 decibels of protection. Now everybody knows, or maybe not everybody knows, if you got a plug in your ear, that's going to help a lot, but you can still lose some sound, or you can absorb some sound in the bone right behind your ear. And so, something to think about. It's nice to have over ear, like some Peltors. Those are the best. These here, these are the Peltor TAC 500s. Amazing headphone. These also Bluetooth to the phone. You can have phone call conversation with these. These are a couple hundred, but absolutely hands down awesome. If you don't want to go spend like, $600 on a pair of Peltor contacts, the next best is a Peltor TAC 500. They've got the 300, which has no Bluetooth, but Peltor, awesome. We'll go see how these Axils work, because they're getting pretty good reviews. Thanks. One other thing to quick add here, there is a sticky thing in here. I found these bags are best if you just rolled on it. This is a windscreen, so there's a speaker on these right here, that dot. This little foam thing goes over it, and that's going to help with the wind. So if you're out in an open field or somewhere where you got a lot of wind coming across this, it'll make that scratchy, wishy noise. This is supposed to cut down and help on that. They only give you 2, so you're kind of shit out of luck if you happen to have that fall off. Which, I've got the Peltor in-ear non-Bluetooth ones, and their little foam thing comes off all the time. But they give you 100 of them when you buy them. So, go crack this thing on, see how it works.